Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an existing post on your WordPress site. From the dashboard, choose Posts from your left menu. You can see I have two posts, one which is the sample post that comes when you install WordPress, and another that I made. So let's go ahead and choose the one that I made. And I've already got this post all written up. So now I can edit anything in this post. I can edit the text, I can edit the image. Let's add a different image by going to Add Media. And I'll just choose an image that I already have uploaded and insert it into the post. Alright, it looks kind of funny, so let's go ahead and change it. I'm going to center it and make it smaller, and then update. So I've edited the image that I had in my post, and the text is alright, so I'll leave that. But you can make any changes that you need to in the post editor, which is this box right here that you're in. You can also edit any of the categories or tags. And once you're done, go ahead and click Update. And then you can view the post on your blog. Looks pretty good. Also, if you're on your blog already, you can just click Edit Post on your toolbar to edit that post. And that's how you would edit an existing post on WordPress.